folks. Hello. How's it going? We're here. We're in Genesis Part 1. Sorry about my voice. It is rough. I've been talking for a hot minute. And we're looking for a parrot today. We're going to try show you how to tame a parrot. I don't know where my eyebrows are. I apparently don't need them. And that's okay. But we're going out. And we're going to look for a parrot. Now, I am in creative. I didn't do this in creative. This was all the help of Anna and, the crew. That is the Nomad. For a stream I'll probably do later. You guys will see that. Anyway. Point being, we're looking for a parrot. Do I have what I need for it? I do, I think. So, from what I've heard, the whole deal with a parrot is loot. You gotta do loot stuff. But I'm not sure. Okay. See, that's what I was worried about. Because this says that there's a loot cache all the way out here. And I want to hit this loot cache. But I want to hit this with a parrot. I need a parrot to pay attention to me touching the loot. So we will approach. Oh, it's a really nice island, too. Wow. I really like this. Those are some cool trees. Nice biome diversity on all these islands. Let's do this. Let's do this. Says the closest one is over here. That's disappointing. So if the closest one is right there, let's see where the other map leads us and see if maybe there is a parrot near that one. Is this in the water? I hope it's not in the water. Doesn't look like it. It looks like it's back over at our island. Man, that is so cool seeing that spawn in. It's very neat. Very, very neat. Let's pull this back out. It says there's a parrot over here. This is good. Yep, there's a parrot right there. Alright, so. Apparently, you have to emote.
Hey, you!
To get the parrot's attention. I don't kind of like how it sounds like we're multiple voices in one. That's a little weird. So we gotta get this guy's attention. He's gotta come down. He's gotta come over to us. That's a little difficult though. A lot of bad things around here. Especially when it seems like he's just getting further away. Let me try to fly up and over to it real quick. This is kind of cheating, I know, but... Okay, so. He's coming over. We've kind of got his attention just by existing.
Oh, that's rich. Oh, our mistake.
I don't know why he did that. Come on, buddy. Come over to shore. You just kind of dive bomb the ground.
Too much.
Hello. Come on, buddy. Wah, wah, wah.
That's nice.
What?
Thanks.
Let's try to get back to shore with it. Alright, I think what we're going to do is we're going to cut back to when we've got a parrot up and around here. I think that's the plan. So I'll catch you guys in just a second. Alright, so we got a parrot.
Oh, our mistake.
Now, I think what we do is we take and we dig up some loot. And the parrot should take interest. Holy wow. And we get another treasure bottle in that. It did not. Huh. Maybe it's because I didn't have its attention. It feels like I did something wrong.
Too much. Attention.
Yeah, I'm not quite sure why the parrot is being the way that it is. You also get treasure bottles out of the treasure. It's kind of wild. Okay, I'll catch you guys on the next try. By the way, real quick, I just remembered I accidentally deleted the clip. I don't think that I showed it. The way you get to initiate the taming with the parrot is you have to first get its attention, have it flying around you, and then you emote and it should go on your shoulder. It needs to get interested in you first. I think I cut that out. I'm not sure. But in case I did, here's this. Just to let you guys know, that seems to be the way you have to accomplish it. Okay, so I've tried a couple of treasure chests. It makes a noise, but I don't see any taming progress go up. I don't think it has anything to do with me being creative, because even outside of creative, it does the same thing. So I don't know what's going on there. But, so we are going to try and kill this Alpha Raptor and see what that does for us. And there's Trudons. What? Oh god, they're so loud. Stop running. Stop it. I'm on a time frame. Not really. I just need you to die. Oh! One alpha apparently does it. One alpha raptor for a level... I think that was a 70. Tame gets you a parrot. Also don't know what level that was. Let's go check out what our buddy can do. So we're back over here. We have our parrot, which the model looks great. I love the details in the face. The face is really, really nice. They got some nice feet. The feathers are good. Look at the hair. Well, not the hair. The kind of crests on the head. Good model. Very good model. So, what can this do? I saw some things here. I can disable imitation. I can just look at our parrot. Treasure hunt distance. Imitation mode. it's on all right now, so I'm assuming it can imitate people in game chat. That's cool. Treasure hunting tracking types. So Apex dinos, NPC ships, coastal treasure maps, supply drops, cave loot, and alpha dinos. So Apex dinos, what does that mean? Oh, so this is all that's toggled on. So you can toggle those on and off. Enable treasure hunter. Oh, wow. So it shows you everything. And is that a... It's level 290 Megalodon. That's the Nomad. That's our ship. So what level is that Megalodon out here? Hold on. It's got a cooldown. Level 80. Okay, so it's like the big beefy dinos. And it shows you a whole lot of them. Holy. 25. It's not just high levels either by the looks of it. Okay. Huh. That's super handy. That is really, really useful. So I'm assuming it'll ping drops and other things for you as well. Okay. Yeah, because we found some treasure maps on the beach. So it'll ping the treasure maps on the beach and stuff as well as other drops. Okay. Alright. Overall, toggle plans, structure visibility. Okay. Has nothing to do with Parrot. What are we looking at in terms of levels? Not bad. For like a level 70, this is really good. I'm okay with this. Yeah. Alright. I can work with this. Yeah, so outside of that, I'm pretty sure it is your basic shoulder pet. Let me see if I get a weight reduction. So right now, you do. So this will also give you a weight reduction. That is really, really nice. That is so nice. This is definitely a tame that you're going to have to pick up. This is a tame you're going to want on all sorts of maps. Like, this is really nice. It'll tell you where danger dinos are. It tells you where, like, cave loot is in case you miss it. Drops. Like, this is an incredibly useful shoulder pet. And I don't think you need Bob's Tall Tales for it at all. It did not interact with me interacting with the treasure chests one bit. So I don't know what's going on with that. But I'm okay with it. I'm here for it. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, subscribe, all that jazz. And until next time, we'll see you later. Stay hydrated. Bye.